Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says we have to find out the value of a if this series is equal to this. So, we have to find out the sum of series. So, first we will try to understand whether it is AP, GP, HP, or something like that. So, if you'll observe, it is not an AP. For GP, I'll try to find out common ratio r. So for that we will do this 2 power 9 3 power 1 by 2 power 10. So this thing will neutralize this, you will be left with 3 by 2. Now we will do the same thing with this part. So it is 3 power 10 by 2 times 3 power 9. So you can utilize this again. So you will be left with 3 by 2. So it is GP. Okay. So if it is GP, its first term is 2 power 10. Its common ratio is 3 by 2, next by previous. Okay, now we have to find out the number of terms. So if you'll observe, the power of 3 over here is 0, then 1, then 2, dot, 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 then 10. So it starts from 0, it reaches to 10. This means it is number of terms are 11. Okay, so the number of terms are 11. Now here you can apply the formula for S11. So S11 equals to what? A r to the power n minus 1 by r minus 1. So this is the formula for Sn. So S11 equals A is 2 power 10. R, what is R? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 power 11 minus 1 divided by 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, whenever you're dealing with fractions, always go with this. You will reduce the chance of making mistake. Now simplify things. 2 power 10, 3 power 11 minus 2 power 11 upon 2 power 11 multiplied by, this thing will become what? 2 by 2, है ना? So it is 1 by 2, so it is 2. Okay, so this thing and this thing will neutralize this. So it is 3 power 11 minus 2 power 11, and here it is a minus 2 power 11. So in place of a there is 3 power 11. So the value of a is 3 power 11. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.